Hello, hello, hello. No, I did not forget you. How could I ever do that? I can never do that. We had our maths time. We just did that off camera. We didn't need you to be involved in our maths. We worked through a banquet paper. When I say work through, I chose what questions I wanted Joshua to work on. So we did adding. That was almost perfect. Joshua just has to remember if I'm adding, I'm increasing. So my answer has to be bigger. So if I'm saying 7 plus 1, I mustn't get confused and let them trick me and write 6. I must remember that my answer has to be bigger than 7. My answer should be 8. Multiplying, as with all children, is to understand what we are doing. You know, sometimes they're tempted to think multiplying is adding. It's adding in a sense, but if I say 3 multiplied by 4, I don't want you to say 3 plus 4. You have to understand. We have 4 groups of 3s, right? And then we can add all together. So we use our abacus. We came along well. Writing a number with the actual numerals. We just had it up. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and you got it. Then we had one shade 3/8 of the pattern, but the pattern had more than 8. It was a bit tricky. So I said, I know that I could teach him about convert, but that's a bit much for him. So I said, you know what? Every time we count 8, we're going to share 3 out of the 8. So we divided it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we share 3. And I told her it doesn't matter. We don't even have to line them up. Once 3, it could be 1 here, 1, or whatever. 3 out of the 8. And then here has another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got to share 3 out of that 8 too. So my boy got it. 2 hours equals how many minutes? So he just had to understand 60 minutes. You know, if I go all around the clock hand goes all the way around, that's 160 to make 3 o'clock. And then I have to go all the way around again. Must get tired all the way around again to make 4 o'clock. So 2 times it went all around to make 60. So it was 60 multiplied by 2. Then we did a money exercise. Ken has 5 10-cent pieces and 5. Oh, sure, it was supposed to be 5 5-cent pieces, but I gave you 10. I give you more money than whatever. So let me change the question, because we don't do do-overs. Let me change this question, bank or paper. Auntie, Auntie giving him more money than you. So I actually got the coins. I don't know if you like Auntie, but yeah. Anybody like that do them all time things? Say about your coins, give it a try, yeah. Yeah, we actually count out the coins and we got it figured out. Then you had to write the time on the clock in words. So yeah, we did that. We count 5, 10, 15, 20. Perimeter, Joshua's very good at that. Joshua's good at doing perimeter and geometry, especially like you could look, you see it's a rectangle, but they didn't put all the values all around. But he knows up here is equal to down here, so he was able to fill in. And then we just took our time with the adding, right? And rounding off to the nearest thousand. And then he did a subtraction. A subtraction like we had to take away the 8 from the 2. 8 from 2 I cannot take, so I made that into a 12. And then if I borrow 1 to make that into 12, when you borrow something you have to pay it back, right? So yeah. Joshua, you proud of yourself and your maths? Yeah, Joshua so happy. Look, he's smiling. I know we here. But we brain tired with our maths, so we getting refreshers in between. We starting from today. Because Joshua loves spending time with Auntie anyway. We starting doing 2-hour sessions with little refreshers, as I say, in between. So we having the first refresher now, which is puzzle time. Joshua likes puzzles. He has that kind of brain. And he shared with me, you know, he said when I was in like class 1, I saw you used to be a straight A student. I said, one doubt it. You're a very intelligent boy. It's just sometimes as the word gets more difficult and we don't get that connection and the right person teaching to understand how Joshua's brain works and that kind of thing, you will get a challenge. But see Sam, brilliant Joshua inside there. Okay? Yeah. And he give me lots of ideas. He give me ideas for my solo vacation. He give me ideas for my summer school. He want to see me take that next step. I have that school. You said, you know, you were going to get some workers and give some ideas. You could be doing some math, some comprehension, all the different work, and then we're going on tours. Plus, you passed by, we visited the fire station. That was last Christmas vacation, Joshua and the group of the children. So he passed by and he saw like another, like a summer camp or whatever doing it too, and his mind came to his sweet auntie. So this is where auntie could start her own, what you mean, summer camp or summer school, and we will be touring and having fun. So we got good intentions, big plans for auntie without limit. And I have good intentions, big plans and no limits for my Joshua kid. So we doing puzzle now, you guys. Do you want auntie help you? I don't think he need help. No, you're doing pretty good. I might think you need my help. You do need help, or you just saying so. But here I can see this one has to have it some blue. So it has to have a piece like this. That the mouth open there and the part, like a back of the mouth open here and the part on it. Right? Yeah. So there's a piece missing, or I can see one right now. Maybe these people cheat me? No, it just means I got two pieces instead of one. See? Challenge.
Oh, I find it.
Look, you can find the other one now. Yeah, I know we could do it. I know we would 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 do it. Here's an edge. Got him fitting in there. Yeah, man. Alright, the only help you get for auntie. Break spot. Go on. I'm doing a great job. Puzzles, right? Different ways to exercise that brain. It's a rest. Because we really pushed a bit with the maths. He was willing and he pushed. And then I realized when he was starting to get tired of it. So you're resting the brain, but yet you're working the brain, right? Oh yeah. Right, pieces. You know the green parts can be down at the bottom, right? Probably looking at how the puzzle look. So I think most of these green parts will be at the bottom. You get some at the side too.
This whole part is...
The whole part of the curve. Oh dear. Yes, Joshua Bull, keep going. And then you can look at the part that got the cow body. Cow body got some black parts there on it. I try not to help him, he's capable. Go for the piece with the cow. Yep, excellent. Now we got the duck. So anything else that we can piece of duck. Good job. I used to actually enjoy doing puzzles like so I used to get like 500 pieces, even 1,000, yeah. Yeah. A lot of pieces in the puzzle. You ever probably finish a puzzle and then one or two pieces missing? I'm gonna let you see when it's done. Alright, it's so finished. Turn it on a second. No, don't belong there. Yes. Turn it around. Turn it around. Turn it again. Right. He got it, he got it, he got it. Hooray for Joshua. Y'all want to see it? Oh, look at pretty auntie. And her bright spark. Joshua. Let me hold it. Let me hold it. Let me hold it. And he's showing you. Oh my. Oh, you should take a picture. Let me see how I take a picture of you there. Hold it up. Let me take your picture. You in the camera? Hope so. Yeah, so nice. Y'all can see. Alright, you don't have to be up in our business for your next puzzle. One is sufficient. Don't be late, Krish. That means greedy. Don't be greedy. You want to do the next puzzle? We're going to do the other one and then we're going to do some composition. And then we can have maybe some kind of activity moving with body or something, you know. And before we know it, Daddy will be back. Okay.